Right, let's get this car off. Right guys, just got the Nissan Juke. Shit, it won't start. Just gonna go. Nothing but a cloud of smoke so far. We got hooked up to the X-Trail. And right, camera's just there for now. Got it hooked up to the Nissan X-Trail and just trying to get this bad boy started for the minute. Had no diesel at all in it, so I've just gone and collected some diesel and keep giving it a go. Fingers crossed it's gonna go in a minute. For now, no luck, mate. Check the mileage on this one. Really low mileage. Fortunately, she won't start, which is a bit annoying. But yeah, man. Let's see what mode we got here. We got torque, sport. Well, try and get this beast started. Come on. She's gonna go in a minute, I hope. 1 minute. Come on. We need some quick start in this bad boy. Right guys, as you can hear, the bad boy started up. Seems to be working really well. Apparently it doesn't have any power. I've driven this and it runs really well. Just feel these rates. So obviously the battery is quite dead now, so I'm not going to turn it off. But the most important thing is the engine sounds like she's alright, man, to be fair. So it's loud though, it's really, really loud. And it's got quite a lot of power as well. So yeah, I'm quite shocked. With the amount of suction there is, everything's just left hanging loose, you know. I'm not too sure what the deal is on this car. I really am not sure what the situation is. I'm really baffled with this one because it's like they've tried working on it, so that there is just left loose. I'm not too sure where that goes. Maybe in there. Got this thing here. That there's just left loose as well. So not sure what the deal is on this one, guys. 1 minute. So yeah, not sure, man. There's a mileage there. It's really low mileage. Right guys, the revs on the car have quietened down. We've still got the engine light on. Seems to be running all right. We don't have any heating on. We don't have any. I did top it up with coolant, by the way, and I have got the heating and stuff on, so I'm just trying to let that run through. But doesn't seem like it's getting any hotter, so I think we might need to maybe bleed the system. Yeah guys, so let me flip the camera around and show you what we got going on. As you can see, we still got the engine light on. I'm not sure about that red engine light on. I'm not too sure about that. The revs have dropped down really nicely. It's sounding like a diesel now. You rev it, the revs are dropping. Everything seems to be working as it should. I mean, the radio, don't know what's up with that. I mean, those are not really major, but Let me go pop the bonnet. I mean, she's sounding alright. She really is. As alright as a diesel would sound. 37, I mean, you can tell that this engine looks fairly new. I don't know the deal on this engine. I need to get a bit more information, but you know, it sounds alright. It really does sound alright. There's a few things missing. Look at that. That there is not bolted down. Right guys, car seems to work fine. Revs seem to be alright. Turn the ignition on. Start it up. She don't sound too good there, boy. She don't sound too good there. I'm not sure about this one, guys. I mean, this is the nature of the game. When you buy cars from auction, the pedals are like new. The gear stick, there's no wear in this. The steering wheel's fresh. The handbrake's fresh. The interior is amazing. I'm really baffled on the story of this one here. I really am. I can only imagine what happened to this car. You know, bit of a mystery this one is, but most important thing is starts up, and well, I guess it's not the most important thing if it starts up and it doesn't work, but just gotta figure out what's up with this car, and maybe I'll just get someone to come help me swap the engine out. I mean, I don't really know what to do because the engine is absolutely amazing. It's yeah, that one there is sounding a bit fucked up. Alright guys, I don't know what to do, man. I think I'm gonna call it quits on this one for now, and yeah, I will figure out the next move, but for now I think this one here, I'm calling it quits for now. We got the car here, most important thing, we got it started, we got it moving. Gearbox is amazing, car flicks for all the gears as it should. So I'm really baffled with the story of this. There's a few things missing in the engine. It's like someone's taken their car to get something done, maybe like a clutch or something, I don't know, but the clutch is quite nice. It's like they've taken it to go and get some work done at some kind of garage and not paid for the work or something like that. I don't know the story on this car, but I would love to find out what is up with this. We've got a bit of a cracked screen. This is a Cat C. I think in Cat C terms is probably like a Cat S. I don't actually remember. Got some purple matte, so I'm assuming, you know, a woman owned this car. Interior is really good. Headline is fresh as hell. Door handles. I mean, this car, if it could just work, then this would be a really good profit on this. But for now, I think, you know, we need to potentially maybe just get a new engine, get that fitted, because to be honest with you, I can get an engine for, you know, between £700 to £800, so there's no really point in messing around with this. If the engine's good, you know, I might let me call a few garages, see what I can do, maybe take it in there, see what they say, and we'll take it from there, guys. But for now, let me end the video and get back into another video when I get a bit more information on it. And yeah, we've got another car as well, 107. That definitely needs a clutch, so yeah, we'll come call my wife, see if we can come fit the clutch this week, and then we can get another car on the road, all the little bits and pieces. Oh, actually, I got my Citroen C1 parts are coming today, so maybe I'll get that car there, and we can start working on the bumper for that there, and make some moves on other whips, mate. So yeah, man, stay tuned, guys. Make sure if you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. And sorry about me mumbling on. I'm kind of a bit baffled today, so my mind's not really with it at the minute. You know me, I'll figure it out and get something on the go. If not, I mean I really don't want to sell this car like this. I will fix it. This is how I do. I've driven it. It goes through all the gears. It stops. It's amazing. This car has sat for, I think, over 8 months in the same spot. Let me give you a little walk around of the car, show you what we got going on here, and you guys can have a better understanding of what we got here. So stay tuned. Let me flip the camera around and see what you guys think. Oh, look at that. It is raw steam, mate. Crazy. Right, I'm not going to be able to walk around the car. That's the worst side of the car. The other side is absolutely amazing. Nothing really wrong with it. Just need a bit of a mirror on that side there. A few little bits and pieces in the front. However, the car does drive. So we know that it got drive. We know that it's got gears. We know it's got a 6-speed gearbox. We just don't know what's up with the engine. It starts up first time. It's just over revving. The engine light is on. I think I just need to get some of the diagnostics, plug it in, and we could just take it from there, see what we can do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need a windscreen. But yeah, I think I will do some more research on this one here, and after that I will update you on what the plans are for this. However, the car moves. That's the most important thing. I think I keep saying that, but I'm quite happy with that. I mean, I bought this car as a non-runner. The numbers I pay for this car are really ridiculous. For the mileage as well, it's really silly. And if anything, you know what, I'll happily keep this car for myself. I will do it up. I will make it really nice. I'll replace the engine, you know, if I have to, and I will make something of this badass. I will make this car like a little badass car, because to be honest, you know, I need a nice little car. I do need a decent car. There's no point in being a car trader and you got a piece of shit, you know what I mean? So I want a nice little car that I can actually enjoy, family can enjoy it. This is a tiny little car. It is actually small all inside. It's only a 4-seater, is it? It's a 5-seater, but really cramped up in there. I do have the dog, which is going to jump in the back. I think he'll potentially fit in there. Oh mate, that is so bad. Whatever, man, we'll fix this car, we'll get it sold. I'm not going to hang on to anything. Depending on the numbers, I think we can make a nice little profit on this one. If not, yeah, I think I'll be selling it as it is. But I really want to get this car sold as a runner, and if I can't get it as a runner and I'm more in it more than I can get for my money back, I might just keep it and get some use out of it. It's a nice diesel 1.5, so it shouldn't really cost that much to run. But yeah, guys, stay tuned, man. Thanks for watching. If you're not subscribed, hit subscribe. Make sure you like the videos. Make sure you comment. Give me your thoughts on the junk that I keep buying. But you know, you can make money in anything, and that's what I'm trying to just show you guys is I may not have a massive budget, but I have enough money to buy the things I have and make some money on the projects make some money from the little projects that I do have and can afford. So, and you know, if all this stuff pulls through, these are stuff that people didn't want because I got them for a really cheap price. If I pull through with these, you know, I'll be on to a winner. So stay tuned, guys, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next one, man. Bye bye.